Welcome back my channel to your ear cleaning session. Please take a deep breath and let yourself relax. You're in a safe, quiet space now. I'll begin by gently examining your ears, just to check for any buildup or irritation. You don't have to do anything, just sit back and enjoy the soothing experience. Let's start with a soft light inspection. I'm using this small pen light to take a look inside. I'll carefully move your ear slightly, just like that. Perfect. No pain, right? Good. Now the other ear, yes, a little wax buildup, but nothing to worry about. We'll take care of it slowly, gently. Now I'm going to use this wooden ear pick. It's rounded and smooth, so it won't hurt. Just a light tapping, and I'll scoop from the outer area first. You might feel a soft tickling sensation. That's perfectly normal. Just let yourself sink into the sound and sensation. Okay, let's move in just a little deeper. I'll be very slow and careful. A tiny bit more, there it is. Nice and easy. You're doing great. I'll switch to a different tool now, something softer, this cotton bud. It's wrapped with gentle fibers, ideal for massaging and absorbing. Slowly circling inside, right there, gentle movements. Soft brushing sounds surround your ears now. Like wind moving through leaves. Let it calm your thoughts. Now, I'll use this silicone spiral tool. It's designed to twist wax out gently without pressure. I'll start on your left ear. Twisting motion, nice and slow. The sound of it swirling is like a whisper. Soothing and repetitive. Twist, release, twist again. It's almost like your ears are sighing in relief. Now the right ear, yes, same soft rhythm. Twist, glide, beautiful. Let's give your ears a little massage now. Just with my fingers. Light touches around the outer ear. Tracing the edges, pressing very softly behind the earlobe. Can you feel the warmth? Your whole body starts to respond, relaxing further. Your shoulders drop. Your breathing slows. I'll now gently spray a few drops of warm saline to rinse the canal. Just a few sprays, like a mist. You'll hear a little fizzing as it reacts with the wax. That's okay. It's part of the process. Now I'll suction it out, very lightly. The sound may be soft and low-pitched, like a distant hum. Just breathe slowly and feel the calm water